times so tough.
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Ang awitin po na inyong narinig is Standing Tall, na inawit po ng The Booth Brothers sa kanilang album na Room for More. Buksan po natin ating Biblia sa Exodus Kapitulo 23, versikulo 12. On the seventh day you shall rest, that your ox and your donkey may rest. My topic for this morning is animal welfare. Hindi po ako taga-pita at hindi rin po ako vegetarian, na hindi ako kakain ng karne, but I will be discussing today about how to take care with our with the animals, no, that are surrounding us. In the book of Jonah and Exodus, we can see that God is concerned with animals, so it's our part also to take care for them. So the main reason for this is to be conformed to the image of a caring God. Most of the time kasi, pag nakakita tayo ng pusa, to be honest with you, ako galit talaga ako sa pusa eh. Ang sarap sipain. But when I understand that I need to take care for them because I'm the image of God. Now, unfortunately, as PETA and other animal rights are uprising, people become less and less concerned with other people. It's quite interesting. People nowadays are caring for animals, but they no longer care for people. Sana kung gaano natin pinanghalagahan ang tao, ganun din natin pangalagaan ang mga hayop. Kung gaano natin pinapangalagaan ang hayop, ganun din ang tao. So, it sounds ironic since we still have here abortion, murder, wars, prejudice every day. But people are also fighting for animal rights. It's quite interesting, no? So, what does I want to say? Simple. God cares for us and calls us to care for His creation. And one of His creation are the animals. One of His creations are humans. So church, living God, people of the living God, what I am trying to convey, simple. Live caring other people. Live caring the animals. Always consider that we are the image of God representing Him in this world. God bless po at magandang umaga.